In today's video, we're diving deep into the realm of financial success. Have you ever wondered what sets apart those who achieve wealth from those who struggle to make ends meet? Well, wonder no more. We've compiled a comprehensive guide outlining 8 unmistakable signs that indicate you're on the path to financial prosperity. From recognizing the importance of money to making decisions with confidence, these signs serve as guideposts on your journey toward financial freedom. So buckle up and get ready to take notes, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of what it takes to thrive financially. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay tuned for more valuable content. Let's dive in. Sign 1. You contradict the idea that money won't solve your problems. When considering the notion that money won't solve your problems, it's crucial to acknowledge its potential fallacy. Some influential figures may propagate the idea that money holds little importance, even while themselves amassing significant wealth. This narrative can mislead individuals into underestimating the importance of financial stability, potentially hindering their efforts to improve their economic situation. Despite financial limitations, it's imperative not to subscribe to the notion that money is inconsequential. Recognizing the fundamental role money plays in fulfilling basic needs is essential. While money cannot purchase everything, it serves as a valuable tool in enhancing comfort and facilitating the pursuit of personal fulfillment. Therefore, aspiring for financial security and happiness is reasonable. As Warren Buffett aptly stated, while money isn't everything, dismissing its significance without adequate financial backing is unwarranted. Sign 2. You are someone who makes decisions in seconds. Identifying yourself as someone who swiftly makes decisions is a key trait. Picture yourself as an individual who seizes opportunities promptly without unnecessary delays. This proactive approach stems from the understanding that delaying actions may diminish the value of a favorable prospect. Others might recognize and capitalize on it before you, rendering it untimely. People who have made a lot of money and achieved success really get this idea. They understand how important it is to jump on a good opportunity as soon as they see it. The main thing that stops people from acting quickly is usually the fear of failing. But people who are rich and successful think differently. They see failure as a chance to learn and grow, having what's called an anti-fragile mindset. For them, setbacks and challenges make them stronger instead of weaker. So if you surround yourself with people who move fast and take action, success will come to you sooner or later. Sign 3. You have financial goals. When you exhibit 3 key signs, having financial goals, actively pursuing them, and striving for financial success, you're demonstrating a proactive approach to your financial well-being. It's more than just aspiring to be wealthy. It's about setting practical and attainable financial objectives and taking consistent actions to realize them. Whether it's saving for a home, investing in a small business, or planning for retirement, the crucial aspect is not merely setting these goals, but actively working towards them. Successful individuals don't stumble upon financial freedom. They meticulously plan for it. Setting clear and measurable goals helps maintain focus and motivation throughout your financial journey. Remember, achieving financial freedom is a gradual process that requires dedication, perseverance, and continuous effort. Your financial goals serve as the foundation of this journey. Therefore, set your goals, take decisive action, and relentlessly pursue them. Sign 4. You don't compare yourself to others. Frequently sizing yourself up against others often results in paralysis, plain and simple. This habit can hinder you from pursuing activities you love or that hold significance for you. Let's say you have a passion for painting, and you're just starting out. Comparing your work to that of a renowned artist might leave you feeling inadequate. What we tend to overlook is the considerable time and effort the artist invested to achieve their level of mastery. As a beginner, it's essential to focus on learning and honing your skills over time. While it's fine to admire and take inspiration from others, it's more productive to concentrate on your own growth and derive satisfaction from your endeavors without constantly measuring yourself against external standards. Sign 5. You prioritize buying assets instead of liabilities. When it comes to your financial priorities, it's essential to focus on acquiring assets rather than liabilities. Prioritize investing in things that have the potential to generate additional income for you, rather than simply splurging on extravagant items. Consider your recent purchase decisions. Did you think about whether the item would contribute to your financial growth or drain your resources? These choices are common in financial planning. On one hand, there are luxury items like expensive cars, designer clothing, and trendy gadgets. On the other hand, there are opportunities such as owning rental properties, investing in gold, and buying stocks. This choice is pivotal in determining long-term financial success. The wealthy consistently opt to make their money work for them rather than being controlled by their expenses. So prioritize wisely and ensure that your investments align with your financial goals, allowing your wealth to grow over time. Sign 6. You know there's much more to learn. Recognize these signs. When individuals prioritize leisure time solely for activities like gaming and binge-watching shows, neglecting educational pursuits. While entertainment has its place, it's concerning when individuals disregard learning outside of formal education. Avoiding personal challenges and resorting to criticizing others while immersing oneself in fiction only exacerbates problems. It's crucial to acknowledge that ignoring issues only compounds them. Learning is a perpetual journey. The more you know, the more you realize there's still much to learn. Embrace the process of discovering new knowledge and applying it to enhance your life. Sign 7. You spend time with winners. Surrounding yourself with successful individuals can greatly impact your own financial journey. Consider this scenario. Imagine having a friend who's a thriving entrepreneur. They regularly discuss their business ventures, highlight opportunities, and stress the importance of financial independence. By spending time with such individuals and absorbing their insights, you can feel motivated to achieve your financial goals. When you have friends or mentors you can openly discuss finances with, you gain a valuable opportunity to ask questions, learn from their financial blunders, and share your own experiences. This exchange fosters financial growth and enables you to make more informed decisions about your money. Conversely, if your social circle consists of individuals who constantly gripe about their jobs, the economy, and their financial struggles, being around them can breed a negative mindset and stifle your aspirations. For instance, if you're keen on improving your fitness and shedding some weight, surrounding yourself with people dedicated to a healthy lifestyle, regular exercise, and proper nutrition is likely to motivate you to adopt similar habits. Likewise, when it comes to financial success, the company you keep can significantly shape your beliefs, attitudes, opportunities, and overall perspective on money. Sign 8. You don't act based on your emotions. Recognize when emotions drive your actions. While emotions enrich our human experience, they can cloud judgment, particularly in financial matters. Acting impulsively based on fear or excitement can lead to poor decisions like selling stocks during market downturns when history suggests it's an opportunity to buy. Similarly, succumbing to negative emotions can prompt people to abandon business ventures prematurely. To thrive financially, it's essential to temper emotions without becoming detached. Prioritize rationality over emotions in significant financial choices. Recognizing these signs and taking action accordingly can significantly impact your journey toward financial success. Remember, prioritizing financial goals, making prompt decisions, and surrounding yourself with successful individuals are key steps on this path. Avoid comparing yourself to others, prioritize investments that grow your wealth, and always keep learning. Emotions can cloud judgment, so strive to make rational decisions in financial matters. Share this valuable information with others seeking financial prosperity. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful content. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next installment.